How to use Cash App QR code. So once you've logged into the account that you want to do transfers or requests or payments, so all you have to do is find your QR code in your profile, or you can just directly press this, which should give you the option to scan a QR code. But again, once you open the profile over here in the top right, you should be able to find this, which will generate your own specific QR code for other people to be able to pay you. So once you press on this, some sort of QR code will appear. So if you're going ahead and receiving payment, you should just go ahead and put out your QR code to make it more easier. And for the person that is going to pay you, they should be the one that's doing the scanning. So if you're going ahead and paying someone via QR code, just go ahead and press on the scan button over here, and your camera should activate where you can go ahead and scan the other person's QR code, or you can go ahead and do the payment. But hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.